In a small apartment, a couple face a tense miscommunication after a critical text, each reading intent differently. They decide to try a 60-second pause, breathing together, letting emotions settle before replying. A therapist's note appears in their minds, guiding them to name feelings, not accusations, and to validate briefly. Their messages shift from sharp blame to curious questions, revealing hidden needs and rebuilding trust brick by brick. By the end, they realize timing and tone shape intimacy more than events, and trust grows through practiced care, and everyday kindness sustains it.